Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are working with large set of data in Excel, one of the most common issue you might run into is duplicate entries. But don't worry, in today's tutorial, I will be showing 3 easy methods to clean up your data. So let's jump right in.
Don't forget to subscribe now and press the bell icon for more videos.
And here in this data you can see that the names are repeated several times. These kind of duplicate entries cause lot of problem to us while handling the data. To remove the duplicate entries, first I will select all the names. Then I will go to the Data tab. Here under the Data Tools, I will click this Remove Duplicates. When I click it, this Remove Duplicate dialog box open. Here names is already checked and I simply need to click OK. When I click OK, Microsoft Excel notify me that 5 duplicate values found and removed and 13 unique values remain. Note that count may include empty cells and spaces also. So I simply need to click OK. And now you can see that the duplicate entries have been removed in the data. But sometime before removing the duplicate entries, we want to highlight and review them. To highlight them before removing, I will select all the names and then I will go to the Home tab. I will go to the Conditional Formatting and under the Highlight Cell rules, I will select the duplicate values. Now you can see that the duplicate values are highlighted with the color. I can change the color using this dialog box of duplicate values. I'll keep the same color and click OK. So now you can see that the duplicate values are highlighted. We can review them before removing. I'll press Ctrl Z to revert changes. Now we will use the unique function to remove the duplicate entries. For this purpose, I will go to this cell and here I will write equal unique and then I will select all the names, close this bracket and press enter. And here you can see that all the duplicate entries have been removed using this unique function. So these are the different ways that you can use to clean up your data. And there you have it, 3 simple and effective ways to remove duplicate data in Excel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Excel tips and tutorials. Also let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another Excel feature that you would like to learn about. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.